Very good afternoon, my friends. How are you? Hope you guys are doing very well, and welcome on this new live trading video from Extreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Today I'm going to do some live trades, and this time I'm going to go along with the momentum, and I will show you exactly how we can do it. Of course, my friends, I'm going to use the principle of our strategy, which is called the 20 pips a day strategy. And of course, I just wanted to share with everyone who have just recently joined the channel and they are new to the strategy. Let me just tell you something, my friends. Before you proceed with watching this video, you might not actually get what kind of a strategy that I'm using. First of all, I really highly recommend you, my friends, to go first to my channel and just scroll down all the way till you find this video right here. I think it's somewhere here. It's actually easier if we just type it in the search. Let me tell you, it's this one right here. The best Forex scalping strategy explained in details. And again, I'm telling you, it's really a shame that this video has only 12,000 views. I mean, this is the most important video on all of my channel. And sadly, it has only 12,000 views. Anyway, I did my part and the video is right there. Anyone who want to learn, anyone who want to educate themselves about trading Forex, please, my friends, watch that video. It's highly informative and highly educative as well. So anyway, let me now go back to the MetaTrader 4, and I believe, my friends, we have missed a good entry right here because I was explaining to you about the strategy. Now, of course, as we can see right here, we are right now facing the USD CAD. By the way, it's important to mention something. Let me just show you something. Hold on. Yeah, sadly, I sent yesterday a deal of the day video about selling the euro pound. And as you can see, I sent the sell at 0.85537, but sadly the pair has went against our direction and it's almost there near the stop loss. But however, I have sent notification for everyone on the free group telling them to close the euro pound from deal of the day video with 42 pips before it reaches the stop loss. Now, my friends, again, when we are sending these signals and we are just hoping for the best, it was actually sent upon technical analysis. However, if we want to analyze the pair and let's just to understand what happened exactly, why did this fail trade? Why did this trade fail? Sorry. Actually, I think this is important for us. Whenever we're failing a trade, it's important to understand why did it fail. Stop blaming yourself and just try to understand the market and see what happened. What happened is this. If I'm not mistaken, the pound actually is crashing at the moment due to the news about the fuel crisis in United Kingdom. If I'm not mistaken, also it's because of the truck drivers are not delivering the fuel to the stations. Hence, the UK government has asked the help from the army to be involved in delivering the fuel to all of the stations. Of course, this is very bad for the currency, and I believe it's the reason why the pound has crashed. If anyone have another opinion, please write in the comments, let us know. This is my own analysis and my own thoughts about the pound, and that is the reason why this trade has failed. I'm not a guy who tried to not blame myself. I'm not trying to point finger here and there and just trying to look like I didn't do any mistakes. All I'm telling you, my friends, it was just sent upon a technical analysis, and I'm explaining to you the reason why did this trade fail. It's not because of a bad strategy, it's not because of a bad analysis, it's just because of fundamental analysis to what happened to the pound. So anyway, now it's time for to do some scalping, and I'm actually excited because I really want to make some money right now. So what I'm going to do, my friends, I will go to the 30-minute time frame, and there exactly I'm going to try to find some good setups. What I will try to find is any bullish breakout candle and see if there was any support level next to it, and I can place a buy order, or vice versa. If there is any good level, if there is any good bearish breakout candle and I can find a strong resistance near to it, I'm going to sell at the exact level of a resistance. Now, USD CAD seems very interesting to be bought right now. Let me explain to you the reason. First of all, right now, the USD CAD is facing a very strong support level. Now, if we switch to the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, we can see that the very same level where the price has reversed at 1.26435 has actually been a very strong support level in the past. The pair has actually reversed exactly right here, my friends. And it seems to me like this resistance trend line right here, which we are having exactly right here, has been breaking out from. As you can see, we're having here a resistance, and here another resistance trend line, and here is another resistance trend line. And the USD CAD right now seems like it's gonna break out from this level. Look at that. Look at the candle. Look at how the candle is moving. It's moving in a very strong bullish momentum. And I'm going to place the, let me just make sure. So we are just about like between 8 and 15 pips late. With this momentum, as we can see right here on the USD CAD, I think we can still buy the asset. I mean, it seems like the bullish momentum is stronger, and I believe we can go for it and just hope for the best. Again, what we are doing is just analyzing technically and now hoping for the best. And seems for me like the pair is going to reverse exactly. Look at that. Now the candle is falling down. Exactly. Why is falling down? Because right now it's 4:30 p.m. and the new candle has opened. Right now I'm on the 30-minute time frame. This was the 1 hour time frame. I am back to the 30-minute time frame, and now a new candle has appeared. A new candle right now has retested the broken resistance trend line and seems like it's reversing. I'm going to place the buy order with a full confidence that this trade is gonna be a successful one. And please pay attention to the spread, my friends. It's because I'm using IC markets, and I'm telling you always, IC markets, in my opinion, still the best Forex broker in the world. And I think there is no other broker that can actually compete with them. And I would appreciate your support to this channel if you can open account in IC markets using the link provided in the description below this video. So let me just make sure I'm placing my stop losses, my stop loss and take profit level. So as I mentioned before, since we are relying on this support level, the stop loss has to be placed exactly right there. Therefore, my stop loss will be just like 15 pips only. 15 pips only is enough, 16 pips only. And now, since I have placed my trade right here on that support level, I have to exit my trade at the nearest resistance or support, right? This is my 20 pips a day strategy rules. Therefore, this is, my friends, the nearest resistance to my entry. Therefore, that's going to be my take profit level. Therefore, exactly right here, 20 pips exactly. 19.9 equivalent to $157. We can make them easily from this trade. Therefore, that trade has been opened, and as we can see, that trade right now is still going in a small loss. However, we are safe. I mean, the safe zone, actually the support is actually far from our entry right here, which means it's going to be a good deal actually, and this resistance trend line is confirming that my entry is valid. As long as the candle or the trade is above this resistance trend line, I'm actually fine. So let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. And as we can see, my friends, in just 7 minutes only, we are already going in a very good profit now. 12 pips of profit equivalent to $97 of profit. We are almost in $100 of profit. I mean, the account is already now above 2,000, and that is my target for this trade. And I think I will close the trade now, maybe. We are above 2,000. That's fine for me. That's totally fine. Totally fine. I'm happy with it. I'm happy. Guys, let me tell you something. What I'm doing right here is my live trades, and actually that is my own money. I'm trying to grow it right here, slowly, right in front of you. You might not see me trading with hundreds of thousands, $10,000 or $50,000 or $1 million. I'm not that kind of a guy. I'm just a retail trader, just like everyone here. And I'm just showing you that actually you can earn money from trading Forex using your own skills in scalping, and you don't have to be that, you know, crazy rich. You don't have to invest that hundreds of thousands. You can invest a small amount and just trying to grow it, earn some money, withdraw your profits, and again, and do it again and again. That's as simple as it is. As we can see, my friends, the pair has reversed exactly from where I have closed my trade. If I'm not mistaken, it's because we have reached right here a strong resistance zone, as we can see. Therefore, the pair has reversed right here, and I'm happy to get out with this trade with a small profit. All right, let me just now get rid of the USD CAD, and let's now move to another pair. Again, I'm still on the 30-minute time frame. Let me know, please, my friends, pause the recording, and I'll be back to you once I find another deal. Something very interesting is happening. The euro pound has just hit the stop loss. Those who didn't close the trade because they are not in the free group of Telegram, really sorry, I'm really sorry, my friends, and hoping that soon we can recover with another trades, and hoping the next deal of the day will be more profitable, just like the pound JPY was. And again, I'm really sincerely sorry for anyone who have lost money because of my signal. Again, my friends, please make sure you are joining the free Extreme Trader Forex Signals group on Telegram to receive the recent updates and notifications to reduce the losses to the maximum in case they happened. So anyway, I'm still looking at the pairs and still trying to find a good deal. However, I'll be back to you guys once I find another good deal. Alright, AUD USD now showing a variant. I'm going to place the buy order right now. Perfect. So actually, let me tell you something. Look at that. I'm immediately in a good profit. My friends, let me just tell you what happened right here. AUD USD has actually been falling all the way, as we can see. The bearish momentum is strong, but however, that actually can't stop us as scalpers from making good profits. My mouth was too close to the microphone, by the way. Alright, so let me just explain to you what happened right here. I'm a guy who actually reads the market candle by candle and understand perfectly fine the support and resistance momentums. Now let me just tell you something. Right here, we are having a very strong support level. Oh, sorry. So right here, we're having a very strong support level. And right here also, my friends, we can see that this support level has become right here a tiny small resistance, which has been followed right later by this fake breakout. However, immediately this support level has been, after becoming a new resistance, has been followed later also with another bullish breakout candle. Now, the principles, the rules of my 20 pips a day strategy still remains the same. Wherever you find a strong support level and you see it followed later by a bullish breakout candle, make sure that most likely, I would say 98% of the times, the support level has to be respected and the market is gonna actually reverse exactly at this level of a support. Therefore, it's important to understand you just don't place your buy order right here and just hope for the best. You also have to know exactly where to exit your trade. I think 70% of the power of my strategy relies on where to exit your trade. And for sure, I know where to exit my trade right now. As you can see, I have placed my trade right here on the new support, which we can call right now support number 1. Now, I need to exit my trade once the market reaches the nearest support or resistance to my entry. Now, let me just zoom in so I can show you. Now, here's my entry. And if we check the market, we can notice that right here exactly, we had a support. Then later on, we had right here a resistance. So out of these two, number 1 and number 2, out of these two, which one is the candle gonna visit first? Is it number 2 or number 1? Of course, number 2. The market is gonna reach this level first before it reaches this resistance. So if you want to have the safest exit, better always close your trade at the nearest support to your entry, which means I can expect to make about 8 pips profit from this deal, and I'm totally fine with this. At least I can get out with some cash. So, that being said, I will just make the same exactly for my stop loss. There goes my trade, and let's now hope and let us just now sit and hope for the best, and hopefully the market is gonna respect the rules of that strategy. If it doesn't, that's totally fine. We can just recover from another 2 trades. Anyway, let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you once I close this trade. And as we can see, my friends, the pair has reversed exactly from the entry level. However, I started to think this trade is not safe anymore, and seems like the bearish momentum is really strong. But however, the pair is still respecting the rules of support and resistance. Look at that, the pair is reversing, still going up, very near to our to take our head profit level. I think I will close the trade right now with almost $60 of profit. Now the account is above $2,100. Guys, I'm really happy for this. This is fantastic. Fantastic. All the rules are being respected, and so far we are doing really so well. Perfect, perfect. Everything, everything is going perfectly fine. Let me know, please, again. Pause the recording, my friends, and I'll be back to you once I find the next trade. All right, we have here another interesting setup on the EuroCAD. Let me just tell you something. On the 30-minute time frame, the EuroCAD actually, my friends, is showing right here a strong support level, as you can see. Let me just zoom in and show you. So right here, we're having the support level, and the market has actually been respected again and kept the position as a support. Now, pay attention, please. We are having the support right here, which has been followed later with this bearish breakout candle. Now, interesting and remarkably, there was not a single resistance attempt right here. Not even one. This one here, I don't really think it's a strong resistance that we can rely on, since it didn't really reach the same level of the previous support right here. The market has immediately broke out from this level, and now the candle seems like it's respecting this level. So this support right here, let me just delete the lines. This support right here seems like it's gonna be respected again and keep its position again as a support. Again, this level is weak as a resistance, so most likely it has to be stronger as a support level. Right now the candle, as we can see, is falling down. Yes, it's reaching our entry level. Let me just be more accurate. The entry should be placed exactly right here, and the candle has reached the level. The candle has reached the level exactly. There exactly where I want to place my order. Look at that. This is, my friends, the right way to draw the resistance zone. Pay attention right here, please. We are having this support right here, which consists of these 4 candles, and I have drawn here my support line in a way that the line is actually touching the shortest tail in this pattern, which is exactly right here, this candle. Not the, I won't say the shortest. I mean, by drawing the the support line like this, this line here, the support line, is touching this tail, is touching this body, is touching this candle as well, and this one as well. Therefore, we can expect from the market to reverse exactly where I have placed my buy order. Now we can just place our stop loss, which actually should be right here at the lowest level of the support right here. Therefore, our stop loss will be just on 14 pips far away, equivalent to $116, meaning I'm investing now actually $116 right in this trade. Now, for the take profit level, my take profit level will be just the same as 14 pips as well, equivalent to $116 as well. Perfect. So everything is going fine as well so far. Now let me just please pause the recording, my friends, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this deal. Yeah, sadly the trade has failed, and as we can see, it has reached the stop loss. I believe we will close it right now with the loss. Sadly, all the profits that we have made in the last 2 trades is wiped. Not 2 trades, I would say the last trade. I mean, we have made almost $100 from the last trade, and from the first trade, sorry. And right now this trade seems like it's wiped, so we have now to recover. I'm just waiting for the candle to hit the stop loss, just to confirm. I mean, it happens so many times in my career as a trader to see the candle reversed exactly from right where the stop loss is. Anyway, if this trade lost, no issues at all. We can recover, my friends, and I will show you exactly how we can recover. I'm just annoyed because actually I don't really want to make this video so long, but however, if we have to, then we have to. Then I'll just make it long video and I will show you how we can recover. Anyway, let's see how this trade will go, and I will be back to you later, my friends, to show you once I close this trade and I open another one. And guys, check this out. I'm very happy because the profits are still there and we are so far in profit. I'm going to close it and get rid with it. It was not a good deal at all. It was a bad trade. Thankfully, I will admit something. I got lucky. That there is no doubt that I was really lucky here. The candle has reversed just like 0.4 pips before reaching my stop loss. However, the stop loss was not placed randomly there, my friends. I told you right here, we are depending on this support zone right here, this support zone. So what I did was just simply placing my stop loss just like 2 pips below the support zone, because we are relying on this support level. There was a chance, there was of course a possibility that the candle will hit the stop loss and immediately reverses, and that is actually one of the reasons so many traders get really angry and pissed off, because the candle will just reach the stop loss and immediately reverse right from where the candle has the trade has closed. It's very important to understand where you should place your stop loss. Placing your stop loss at the exact level of a support is a big mistake. Always make sure your stop loss, if you are placing a buy order based on the support level, make sure that your stop loss is placed at the lowest, below the lowest level of a support. So I have placed my trade right here, and this is the lowest level of the support. Therefore, my stop loss has to be exactly right here, just a little bit below the lowest level of the support zone. So you will be safe, and hopefully everything is going to be fine, and you are giving the candle a space to breathe if in case it's going to go against your direction. I'm very happy. We opened 3 trades in this live trading video. The 3 of them went in profit. The last one was really close to be in loss. However, I admit I was lucky to just exit this trade with a small, very small profit. So I believe, my friends, I really hope this live trading session has somehow educative for many of you, and I really encourage you, my friends, to go to my channel and watch the videos where I'm teaching the strategy. Believe me, it's quite a strong one. It will change the way you are actually scalping, and you will enjoy scalping Forex across the day. So in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.